Well, the game isn't played on paper, but on paper they do look pretty level, these two sides, in terms of ability.
Yeah, that's right, and I'm sure the two managers are aware of that, but that's when you're asking some of your top players, your creative ones, those that can pick out a pass and unlock the door. That's when you want them to come to the fore.
And here's the referee, Wilson Mountland. He's the man in charge today. Referee's blown the whistle, and the game has started. Wondolowski. Dawkins. It's looking good, this move. And now can he score? And the defender easily swept aside. So now a goal kick to come. Here's Kaká. Jonathan Spector. Good support as they build this attack. And the defenders come in well here. Timed his approach and got the ball. Antonio Nocerino. Good, strong challenge. Attacking well here. Here comes the challenge. And he's got to get it away now. Francis. And here's the help arriving on his right. And he's closed down well and stopped the cross coming in. Out for a throw, and over the touchline. Nocerino. A back heel that's caught the opposition out. Barnes. Antonio Nocerino. Great tackling technique to win the ball cleanly. Oh, it has to be. And the referee does blow. The flag was up from the assistant. Gets a goalkeeper save there, but not a difficult one. Kaka. He's lost the ball. Free kick. Hines. Good forward play from them. Salinas. Antonio Nocerino. And there is the half-time whistle, 0-0 at the break. Half-time, teams level, just as expected, Alan.
Yeah, it's been a good first half, and we've had a few chances, but I don't know.
Time now for the second half to start. Barnes. Wondolowski. He's got to time his run a little better than that, trying to get in behind the defender. Wondolowski. The opposition back off, they could be in trouble when the ball gets to here. Oh, in goes the cross. Impressive, that piece of defending from a very promising attack. Johnson. We'll get it back here. Here's a chance to attack. Superb individual skill.
Oh, see you later.
Great opportunity. In quickly the forward. Here's an opportunity. Dawkins. And the opponents come in strongly. Some options on the bench for the home team. Antonio Nocerino. Interception made, but with any great difficulty. Into the attacking third. Looking to widen the play, really, widen the build-up, but the ball's just run straight out over the touchline. We might look back at the end of the match at this decision, one way or another. The scores are level, and on he comes to try and tilt the game his team's way. Well, they're still battling to try and get their search for supremacy successful. Possession facts suggest that battling is still going on.
That's right. One thing having possession, but another thing being positive and using it in the right areas.
That will be offside. Flag went up. Here comes a substitution for the away team. He committed himself here, there wasn't much cover, but he got the ball, the defender, in the wide position, and it's a shot that the goalkeeper can deal with quite comfortably. Here's Kaká. They've wasted possession. In midfield, they've got it back via an interception. He's in at goal. Now here is a chance for them. And he will be adjudged offside here. Close, but got to get the movement timed a little bit better. Well, we're still level here, and we're going to have a substitution. Is this the way to alter the match in their favour? Dawkins.
Got some skill, this lad.
Climbed well to head it to the supporting player. Attacking now. Nocerino. They've got the ball in the middle of the pitch here. Dawkins. Saw it coming, cut it out, good work. Fourth official has indicated only one added minute. The end of regulation time with the scores level.